So you'll have a box and the components will all be inside of it. This will be the gateway that you can place in the field. This is the power plug. And lastly, the antenna. That's the only three items that you'll need. Pretty simple setup. Let's put the antenna where it goes right here, sort of in the center of the bat. You're just going to screw this in and make sure it's snug, and then make sure it's vertical that way. Next is the electrical plug. You're going to put that on this side, plug that in, pretty easy. And then lastly, you're just going to find an outlet and plug that. So I have an outlet near me, plug that in. There should be lights that show up pretty quickly. They'll have three lights. So one is status, LoRa, and cell. You want to make sure all three lights are blinking or on. And this can take some time. It could take maybe up to 5 minutes or even 24 hours. So just keep it on, and after 24 hours, if it's not working, we'll make sure to connect with you. But that's essentially the setup for connecting the units in the field to this gateway. Thank you.